In this video, I will guide you on how to make GIFs for Instagram. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on this DM icon, then open up any conversation. Now, if you want to send a GIF, then you have inbuilt GIF available on Instagram. For that, tap on this icon right here, then tap on GIF. Now you have different categories over here. Go ahead and search through each category to find your preferred one, or you can use the search bar as well. Once you have found it, tap on it to send it. If you want to create your own GIFs, then what you can do is you can use Boomerang. This builds a looping GIF-like video directly inside Instagram. So go ahead and tap on the camera icon. Here, select Boomerang and click a video. Now you can add text or stickers, then go ahead and send that. Before sending, you want to set it to unlimited views. And in this way, you can easily make GIFs for Instagram. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.